I am here to present my class for assembly. First of all, I would like to call Ms. Muhammad Ryan for a recitation of Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد لم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. In the name of Allah, most beneficent, most merciful. Say He is Allah, the one, Allah, the eternal, the absolute. He begets not, nor is He begotten, and there is none like Him.
Jazakillah. Now, I would like to call Javeria for Nate Rasul Makbood Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hasbi Rabbi Jalla ما في قلبي غير الله نور محمد صلى الله لا إله إلا الله तेरे सदके मैं आका सारी जहां को दीन मिला बेदीनों ने कलमा पढ़ा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह जज़ाकल्लाह.
Jazakallah. Now, I would like to call Ayan to answer some general knowledge questions.
Yes, teacher.
Ayan, first tell me who is our national hero?
Islamic Bar
Very good. Who is the founder of Pakistan?
Qaidi Azam
Very good. Who gave us the idea of Pakistan?
Islamic Bar.
Very good. Now, I would like to call Zuhair for hadith of Nabi Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mia Roher. I am from grade 1. Today I want to share with you some golden words. आदमी के झूठा होने के लिए यही काफी है कि वो सुनी सुनाई बात को बगैर तहकीक के आगे बयान कर दे.
Very good. Very good. Now, all please stand up for the national anthem.
Okay. Okay. No, fine.
Now, please all join your classes.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am. Teacher. Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.